Holi, India and Nepal. Alright, imagine this. You're standing in a crowd and suddenly a burst of pink, blue and yellow explodes in the air around you. People are laughing, dancing and tossing vibrant powders at each other like it's the best day of their lives. Welcome to Holi, the festival of colors. This isn't just any celebration, it's a full-on color war, and everyone is fair game. 1 minute you're clean, and the next your face is covered in neon pink, and your clothes look like an abstract painting. But that's exactly what makes Holi so special. No one is a stranger here. It's all about joy, unity, and celebrating life with music, dance, and a whole lot of color. Holi marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. But let's be honest, most people are here for the wild celebration. Across India and Nepal, the streets transform into a massive open-air party. Picture this, drums beating, Bollywood music blasting, and people dancing like there's no tomorrow. Oh, and did I mention the food? Sweets like gujia, bang-infused drinks, and spicy street snacks fuel the madness all day long. Want the ultimate Holi experience? Head to Mathura and Vrindavan, where the festival lasts for days and the celebrations are next level. But here's a tip. Wear white if you want the most epic before and after photos. Trust me, Holi isn't just a festival, it's an experience you'll never forget.